Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. My name is Atoya, wife of Douglas, mother of Rain, Mamie, and Ezekiel. On today's video, we'll be doing a relaxing clean of the air conditioning filter. So I really hope y'all enjoy. You know, sometimes you forget to clean some things and the light pops on like, hey, clean filter. So we're going to go ahead and get that clean. I was coughing and sneezing, not figuring it out. I thought it was just a dog because I did some regular vacuuming, but no, it was the filter. So I really hope y'all enjoy this little quick clean, this little power hour. And I'll see you at the end. Thank you.
She don't love money, she break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, let me get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' let me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya, show me the color where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Off. Why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it off? Why I like it when you sense it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Be my only one, be my one-on-one. You're my only one, you're my heartbreak. Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one. Be my only one, you're my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one. Be my only one, you're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me, then babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. Calm you down cause you been acting reckless. Flood the ring and I bust down the necklace. Doesn't mean a thing, just know I spend it. Doesn't change a thing, just know I spend it on you. Get you Louis if you want it, no that's nothing, no. You could tell me that it's something, but it's nothing, no. You ignore me, but you're always on that phone. Acting funny, but you tell me that you love me though. Yeah, you tell me that you love me though. Wanna believe it, but I feel it that it's something wrong. Babe, just tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one. Be my only one, you're my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one. Be my only one, you're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me, then babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. I was doing me, left you neglected. Now I feel the pain, I feel the tension. I know I did you wrong, it's unexpected. I know I did you wrong, but I still checking on you. Now you tell me that you're leaving, but you frontin' on. Getting done, I'm going out like who you stuntin' for. Girl, stop playing, all I'm saying is when you coming home. Say you hate me, but I really know you love me though. Yeah, I really know you love me though. Wanna believe it, but I feel it that it's something wrong. They just tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one, be my only one. You're my only love, be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one, be my only one. You're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me today, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So right here, I'm just showing y'all a real quick overview of the Kirby Avalir 2. It's the brand new Kirby, and I love it. I love it. My husband has always wanted one, and we are getting tired of having to buy vacuums every couple of years. It has its lifetime warranty. If something were to go wrong with the engine, they'll either fix it or they'll give you a brand new one. Okay, so I'm really excited about this vacuum. So there'll be more to come about this vacuum, but we're gonna go ahead and close out this video. Thank you so much for spending this time with us, because what time is precious, for we are the family that loves life and having fun, to give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We will see y'all on the tube. Peace out, y'all.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane.